first of all, I want to give glory to God. It was very difficult 2 years in getting here, but seeing you all gave me strength. Thank you.
I'm from Brothers Myanmar. Nice to meet you all. And thank you for inviting me. Thank you.
Kita dulu mah, mesti dulu saya. Awak ni mah, mesti ada dah. Mesti dulu saya ada. Hanya ini ni, mesti lo bawa dah. Demi dia, kita dah kita nak saya ada, kita nak.